Good evening to all. Today I have taken another topic which is for dry gas seal system. So there are three types of dry gas seal. One is single dry gas seal, another is tandem type dry gas seal, and third is double dry gas seal. So in this video we are going to take up only single dry gas seal system. So dry gas seal dry gas system fundamental says that dry gas is generally used for hydrocarbon applications, and the basic rule is that we cannot vent the hydrocarbon gas in the atmosphere being safety region, and so proper sealing is required, and for that dry gas seal is essential. And dry gas seal is the basic philosophy says that the seal supply should be more than the process gas or flare side, so that seal gas should not or process should not come into the atmosphere. This is the basic funda, and normally it has a rotating part of dry gas which is called normally tungsten carbide, and stationary part of dry gas two phases which is con burning, and it has typically the gap or phase gap is 3 to 5 micron, and dry gas seal can be unidirectional or bidirectional. If it is unidirectional, then it has a spiral grooving, and if it is a bidirectional, then various shapes are applicable, which is one of them is T-shaped groove. So T-shaped groove is bidirectional, and a spiral groove is unidirectional. Direction is shown here, and this is for bidirectional. A single dry gas system, it has following main parts. One is primary labyrinth seal. This is one part which is used for the process side. Then we have a primary dry gas seal, which is main dry gas seal, sealing the, you know, minimize the leakage into the flare. And this is the backup or separation, we can call separation seal, which is for floating cornering. So mainly three component. One is primary labyrinth, primary dry gas seal, and third is a floating carbon ring seals for single dry gas seal system. And this is a schematic one of a dry gas seal system, where you can see this is a schematic shown for dry gas seal. This is a labyrinth, this is primary labyrinth seal, you can see, and this is the dry gas seal. So this is a primary dry gas seal rotating part, and this is rotating. This is a primary dry gas seal stationary part. So phases are just a 3 to 5 micron gap, and this is flare. Primary vent is flare, which is flaring here, and this is carbon ring, floating carbon ring seal. It has shown two carbon ring seal, and one is this side, another in this side. So this is separation seal gas coming here, and it is pushing and going to the flare, and this side is going to gearbox and oil reservoir. If you look at this is primary supply, which is most of the gases is passing and sealing the process side, because it goes to compressor wheel pressure, and this sealing the process gas, this is the main purpose of the sealing. And then it has also sealing the faces, and some leakage, which is very minimum leakage, which is going to venting to the primary seal vent, which is going connected to the flare. And this is a backup or separation seal, which is supported with the floating carbon, and this gas is normally nitrogen, and it is coming here venting from the one floating carbon ring, and it is mixing with this and goes to flare, and remaining portion of gas of the primary separation seal goes to the gearbox and oil reservoir. So this is a schematic for single dry gas seal system. Let's say another schematic, very same thing you can see here. Dry gas seal coming here, it is, this is shaft, This is labyrinth, primary labyrinth seal, which is majority of gas passing here and goes to compressor wheel pressure, which is sealing. And same thing here, you can see here, same thing coming here. This is primary dry gas seal rotating part, and this black color is primary dry gas seal stationary part. This is carbon, this is tungsten carbide, this is carbon. There is a minimum gap which is venting to primary vent, seal vent, and this is separation seal supply, which is normally nitrogen, and it is carbon, floating carbon ring, these two floating carbon rings, and then there is a leakage here and mixing with this primary seal and goes to primary seal vent, which is connected to flare, and this side it goes to gearbox and oil reservoir. Normally oil reservoir is in vacuumized state, that is pressure is oil reservoir is less than atmosphere. So same thing it is shown in another schematic for better understanding of single dry gas seal system. Now we have a third schematic for same single dry gas arrangement. You can compare this. Primary seal supply, you can see again this is labyrinth, primary labyrinth, this is going to compressor wheel pressure, this is compressor side, this side, and this is oil reservoir and bearing side. Then you can see this is dry faces coming here and goes to primary seal vent, same way it is goes here. This is separation seal, this is carbon, floating carbon ring, and mixing coming here and goes to primary vent, and this side it goes to dry gas oil reservoir. This is a simple schematic for single dry gas seal system. The basic funda is this: the primary seal supply pressure should be more than this compressor wheel pressure as well as more than this pressure. This is the basic funda. Similarly, for separation seal supply pressure should be more than primary seal vent pressure as well as more than this side pressure. So this is main purpose or main rule of sealing. So I hope you have understood the single dry gas seal system of dry gas seal. This is one type of dry gas seal, and where you have seen the primary labyrinth, then primary dry gas separation, that is for carbon floating ring seal. So main three components are used for single dry gas seal, and this is used for hydrocarbon application. So I hope you have enjoyed this. Thank you for watching.